In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 3 core beliefs that, if removed, can permanently change panic attacks, anxiety, and even stress. Get up! Hi, I'm Christopher Paul Jones, the Breakthrough Expert. So what are the 3 core beliefs that, if you transform them, can drastically change how you feel? Now today I'm not talking about alleviating the symptoms. I'm not talking about breathing exercises and distraction techniques. And by the way, I don't think they're bad in any way. I use them a lot. But if you can isolate the core beliefs that stack up your anxiety, your stress, you can actually completely change how you feel. So rather than being a constant daily management, oh, I need to think differently, I need to do that, your subconscious no longer runs that pattern. So what are the core beliefs that people tend to hold on to when they have anxiety, and when they let go of them, can change how you feel? The first is a subconscious belief that I'm not safe. Now what tends to happen with anxiety, an event has happened in your past, often a prolonged event, so prolonged stress or prolonged anxiety. So let's say you were bullied at school, or you had a disturbed family home, or you had a lot of work pressure, where you're under lots and lots of stress. And then what tends to happen is the mind then tends to go into fight, flight, or freeze. So this response to danger becomes overclocked. Now, that's all very well and good when we were cavemen and we were fighting a saber-toothed tiger. We'd see it and we'd go, we need to run from it, we need to fight it, or we need to hide from it. But that doesn't work with stress. So when you can teach the subconscious that you're actually safe, that you don't need to hold on to this pattern, you can let go of the fear, you can let go of the stress, you can let go of the anxiety, just like that. Now the second belief is, I need to be in control. Now so often people are frightened of being out of their comfort zone, so they try and control their world. And sometimes being in control is useful if you're a very organized person, for example. But when you try and control the subconscious, when you try and control things that aren't logical, like emotions, you just end up stuck. And the more you think you need to be in control, the more you end up being overwhelmed and end up wondering why. The third belief that, if you let go of, will drastically change your anxiety, your panic attacks, your fears, is the belief that it's not okay to feel. And this comes, again, this is the idea that you need to be in control of your emotions. So at some point, very often, you learn that feeling is not okay. And so then whenever you get stressed, whenever you get overwhelmed, you push it down. And I say this to clients, it's a bit like having a screaming child that won't be quiet. When it keeps screaming, instead of soothing it, what you do is lock it in the cupboard. And then you wonder why it's screaming more. And so with your anxiety, you try and go, it's not okay to feel, I'm just going to push it down, I'm going to push it down, and then you wonder why it shows up in times when you're out your comfort zone, you go into massive overwhelm. And so the key is, the more you can be okay with being anxious, the more you can be okay with feeling, the less anxious you'll be. Because in the same way, you can't go to sleep through focus. You can't go, I'm going to go to sleep now, I'm going to go to sleep now. You can't let go of anxiety by going, I can't possibly feel. It's not okay to feel. It's not okay to have emotions. When if you go, well, what happens, happens, you're less likely to feel it. So those are the 3 core beliefs that, if you remove them, can drastically change how you feel. Now you might say to me, well, Chris, how do you change a belief? And I would say, well, you'll have to hire me for it. Now there are many techniques that I have around YouTube that can work on specific triggers, but they can also work on subconscious beliefs. But know that anything you've created, you weren't born with these beliefs. So at some point in your life, you created this belief. You can also change it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and of course share. Until next time, I'm Christopher Paul Jones. Get up!